By the end of this video, you will know how to add a recipient in Wise. Start by logging into your Wise account. Once you are signed in, you will land on the home page. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click Recipients. This opens the section where your saved recipients are stored, so you can view existing entries or create a new one. Inside the Recipients area, click Add. This starts the process of creating a new recipient profile. The next screen will ask you to select the currency that your recipient will receive. Choose the correct currency for the account you want to save. It is worth checking this carefully because the banking details required can vary depending on the currency you select. After choosing the currency, Wise will ask how you want to add the recipient. You may see options such as Search on Wise, Bank Details, or Upload Screenshot or Invoice. Select the option that matches the information you have available. If the person or business already uses Wise, searching on Wise may be available. If you have the banking information directly, choose Bank Details. If the details are in a document, select the Upload option shown on your screen. Depending on the type of recipient and the method you chose, Wise may prompt you to identify who the recipient is. If that appears, choose whether the recipient is myself, someone else, or business or charity. Select the category that matches the account you are adding. Since this affects the details Wise asks for next, you will then be taken to the account details form. Enter the recipient's account details, including all required banking information. The exact fields can differ based on the currency and recipient type, but the goal here is the same. Fill in the requested information as it appears on screen. Make sure the details match the recipient account exactly before moving forward, especially the banking fields tied to the selected currency. When you have finished entering the information, click Continue to save the recipient. Wise will process the details and create the new entry. If there is a short delay, wait for the page to update. Once saved, the new recipient will appear in your recipients list. From that point on, you can select this recipient whenever you send money through Wise without entering the same details again each time. That completes the process of adding a recipient in Wise. Your new recipient is now saved in your recipients list and ready to be selected when you send money.